In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build Sub-Zaps in Zapier. Let's kick things off by heading over to the Zapier website. This is the platform where we'll be automating workflows, connecting your different apps, and enhancing productivity. If you're not already logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the Login button. Here, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Zapier homepage. This is the hub for your automation projects and where we'll begin crafting our Sub-Zap. Next, let's navigate to the Zaps section. You'll see this option on your dashboard. Clicking here will take you to the area where all your current automations, or Zaps, are managed and developed. Now, we want to create a new Zap from scratch. So find the Create button and give it a click. This action sets up a blank canvas where we can begin designing our automated workflow. Once it's created, it's time to add some steps to this Zap. For this, look for the Add Steps button and hit it. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be piecing together the actions and triggers that form your entire automation sequence. What we're specifically interested in today are Sub-Zaps. These are essentially smaller, reusable pieces of automation within your larger Zap workflows. They're like templates or modules that you can employ repeatedly, saving you time and streamlining your efforts. So, how do you find them? Use the search bar to look for Sub-Zaps. Typing Sub-Zaps into the search field helps you pinpoint these components quickly. Once you've located the Sub-Zaps option, go ahead and click on it. This click-through will open a menu, or sometimes a list, of potential actions or triggers available as Sub-Zaps. Depending on your needs, you can select what fits your workflow requirements, such as scheduling workouts or sessions, among other tasks. Adding Sub-Zaps to your workflow integrates these elements into your main automation, enriching the functionality and outcome of your project. And there you have it. You've now learned the basics of building Sub-Zaps within Zapier. By following these steps, you're well on your way to making your workflows more efficient and powerful. Remember, diving into each step gives you greater control over automations, letting you customize everything to fit perfectly with your day-to-day tasks. Keep experimenting with different combinations of steps and Sub-Zaps until you find the workflow that meets all your needs. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy automating!